Hi guys, this is Suman. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is not for any DIY, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title also. Actually last week I uploaded a video DIY denim jacket from the old jeans, which you guys liked a lot, but I have committed a little mistake in that. I forgot to show the back of the jacket and many of you have commented regarding that. So I thought I should make a video in which I can show the back of the jacket. So it's looking like this. If you guys don't like the stitch line, you can attach lace like I am doing. So firstly I am taking a white lace and I will attach it on the line. Now I am taking this pink lace and attach it over the white lace. You can get these laces from any lace shop. And now fold the remaining part like this and stitch over it. And it's done. And now let's see how it's looking. I hope you guys I have answered your question, but if you have still any query, you can always comment me. I would love to answer them. If you find this video useful, support to me, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, also hit the bell icon so that you never miss my videos and you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. Also you can suggest to me what other kind of videos I should upload on my channel. If you have any DIY ideas, you can also suggest me that. I would love to make that. Also guys, if you recreate any of my DIY idea, you can share your pictures with me. I would love to feature your name on my Instagram account. Yes, you can follow me on my Instagram account. I am very much active there. So the Instagram handle is given in the description box. You can check it out. I'll see you soon guys. Bye.